Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing lesson 3 part 2. So let's get started. So last time we learned these new characters. Let's repeat them one more time. Repeat after me. 这那女马妈口妈 Alright, so you can see 这 means this, 那 means that, 女 means woman, 马 means horse, 妈 means mom, 口 means mouth, and 妈 doesn't mean anything, but we need this character to form a yes or no question, and we always put it at the end of the sentence. Alright? So unlike English, we have to put the question word like what or how at the beginning of the sentence. Or just like yes or no question, we always have to reverse the sequence, the order of words. Instead of saying she is your mom, we have to say is she your mom to form a question, right? But in Chinese, we don't change the order of the sentence even when it's a question. All we need to do is to put ma at the end of the sentence. So that's a grammar point. So our first task to do today is to read the 4 sentences on the screen. So now let's do it together. The first sentence, 这是我妈妈。这是我妈妈。Alright, so 这是 means this is, 我 means I, but here since we have mama after 我, so 我 here can be translated as my, alright? But we cannot use 我 as my for all the situations, but we will explain that in the future. And mama is a word, means mom. Yeah, even though the single character already has the meaning of mom, but normally we tend to duplicate it to say it twice. Mama. Alright, repeat after me one more time. 这是我妈妈。这是我妈妈。Now let's move on to the next one. The first 2 characters are the same. 这是. So this is 你. Yeah, if you still remember this, 你 means you, or in this case, your mama. So 你妈妈 means your mom. 这是你妈妈. This is your mom. And at the end of the sentence, we have this question character, which is ma. Yeah. So since we have this ma at the end of the sentence, we know this is a question. So is this your mom? All right. 这是你妈妈吗? I know it's funny because we have 3 same pronunciation here, of course, different tones and different characters, but yeah, 3 times of ma. All right, let's do it one more time. 这是你妈妈吗? Is this your mom? 这是你妈妈吗? And I want to mention it again. These 2 characters have the same right part, which is ma. Yes, you can see it. They're the same. And ma means horse. But if we add different left part to this ma, then we have different characters. So if we add this part, which indicates woman. Then we have ma as mother. If we add this part, which is ko, which is mouth, then we have a question, ma. So to help you to have association, why we add ko here and then we have the question ma. Maybe ko is something that we have to use when we ask questions. And then you have this kind of connection. I mean, the meanings somehow make sense. All right. Now let's move on to the third one. Repeat after me. 那不是我妈妈。那不是我妈妈。So, 那 means that. So, that is not my mom. Okay? 那不是我妈妈。Okay? Now, the last one. Repeat after me. 那不是他妈妈吗？那不是他妈妈吗？ So, isn't that her mother? Okay, so please pay attention here. She or her here in this case has the same left side part. Yeah, because this part comes from the character 女, right? And 女 means woman. That's why whenever you see a character with this left part, you know it has something to do with a woman. All right? So 她 is she, not he, because we have this woman part on the left side. So let's read it one more time. 那不是他妈妈吗？那不是他妈妈吗？ Okay? Great. Now, writing time. Let's write these two sentences here. This is my mom. That is his mom. So first one, this is 这是 my mom. 我妈妈 right? 这是我妈妈 Okay, now let's write it together. 这是我妈妈 Okay? 这是我妈妈 If you think I'm writing too fast, then you can pause the video and take your time to write the full sentence. Now, let's move on to the second one. That is his mom. 那是他妈妈。那是他妈妈。So now let's write 那是他妈妈。Alright, that's all for today. You can just keep practicing, and we see each other in the next part. Bye bye.